Hey there, parents! If you are looking for natural, gentle remedies for your little ones when they're feeling under the weather, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 4 time-tested remedies for common childhood ailments, using ingredients that you probably already have at home. Let's get started. Always remember, please consult your child's pediatrician for serious illnesses. First up, honey and garlic for colds. Garlic is a natural antimicrobial, and honey helps soothe sore throats while also providing antibacterial benefits. You can mix raw garlic with honey and give your child a small spoonful for kids over 1 year old. This is a powerful immune booster and can help clear up congestion fast. Struggling with bedtime battles? Chamomile tea is a gentle and natural way to help kids relax. Chamomile has calming properties that ease anxiety and promote better sleep. By relaxing the nervous system, it can help reduce the number of times you wake up during the night, and therefore make for a more restful sleep. Eczema flare-ups can be so uncomfortable, for little ones especially. A soothing oatmeal bath can calm irritation and deeply moisturize the skin. Simply fill a clean sock with oats and attach it to the bathtub faucet. Let your child soak for about 15 minutes. The oatmeal creates a protective barrier on the skin, reducing itching and redness. Earaches are no fun, but mullein oil can provide natural relief. It has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that help soothe ear pain. Warm a few drops of mullein oil and place them in the affected ear. Then use a warm compress to help ease discomfort. Always check with your pediatrician before using any ear drops, especially if there's a chance of an ear infection. And there you have it, 4 simple natural remedies to help your little ones feel better faster. Let us know in the comments if you've tried any of these or if you have your own favorite home remedies. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share with other parents who you think might find this helpful. Stay well, and we'll see you next time.